Guys, so today I'm going to be making over the pantry, and I wanted to give you guys a before shot so you could see what I was working with. It definitely needed some loving, so that's exactly what I did today. I went ahead and started off by painting the entire thing and getting rid of this like smoker white that was going on in there, and it actually took about 4 coats of paint to cover the entire thing because it's just old and it really just needed a freshen. So that is exactly what I did. I'm going to take you through the rest of the process, kind of vlog style. I thought about filming this last minute, and I was just like, you know what, I should show the process. So that's what I did today. I hope you guys find it helpful and like it, and let's get started. Alright guys, so now I'm going to move on to the contact paper here at the bottom. This is the one I got, kind of like a stainless steel like metal look. I also look horrible right now, so please excuse my face, wearing like the most disgusting clothes. Tip number 1, never wear good clothes when you are going to be painting or renovating. Just not a good idea if you want to keep your clothes nice. I'm going to go ahead and go cut this. I don't think it's going to be too hard, just because it's a pretty like even cut back there. So I'm going to cut this and put it in and wish for the best. Hopefully it turns out really good. So it is finally time to start putting stuff back into the pantry. I went ahead and made some labels because I wanted to see what it looked like before I showed you guys what I was using. So I will show you guys that in just a minute. But I kind of started to group things just in this tray to keep them contained of how I was going to put them back in the pantry. And I have those containers. Those were only, I think, $1, maybe $3. Very affordable. I'll link them down below. I'll also link these down below. These were only $1. And these are great for us for like nuts and things like that. These are things we go through a lot, so I don't care if they're like airtight because we don't keep them in there very long. And then I picked up this at Home Depot, and honestly, I'm in love with these. I'm gonna go back and get some more because they're just like perfect for small things like this. So I just put all my loose packets. These are like cheese dips, like gravies, things like that. And then these labels right here are actually from Target. And they were a little expensive. They're $3 a piece just for the label. And then I use my label maker, which is a godsend. If you don't have a label maker, you need one. You will thank me later. If you're someone that likes to be organized, a label maker is a must. They're amazing. So I just use my label maker to make the little labels and I put on the inside. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest like that. I wanted to see how I liked it before I busted open the other packet because they were pricey. So if I didn't like them, I was gonna return them, but I like them. Oh, and then these baskets are actually from Walmart. They don't have this color anymore. They're out of stock, but I got them, I don't know, a couple months ago, and I had stuff in my pantry in them. They just weren't organized correctly. So I did pick these up at Walmart, but Target has ones just like this. It's just a slightly different pattern, but Target didn't have them when I needed them. So now they do, so definitely check there. I'll link them down below for you guys. So it's just a little bit easier in case you are interested. But I'm gonna go ahead and start organizing things, and I will show you guys what it looks like after I'm done. I went ahead and finished labeling all of the white bins, and I'm gonna take you over here and show you these. So for these, I actually just use these little chalk labels. You can find these at Walmart. I don't know if Target has them. I think even the dollar store has them. They're very inexpensive. I'll link some to Amazon down below for you guys as well. I love Amazon. I have Amazon Prime, so I'm like always ordering things on Amazon. But I just went ahead and used these, and then I used a chalk marker to write on them. It kept it really simple. I was gonna print some labels off and then use the packing tape method, but these were just so easy. I already had these labels, so I just decided to use them. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those up, and then I'm gonna put these nuts. These are Tim's favorite. You can buy these at Target, and they actually are like so delicious. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop those in these little containers. Again, these were only $1, and I just think they're very cute, and they go with these really well too. Don't you guys think that looks so cute? I think that looks so clean and cute. And a quick little tip that I wanted to give you guys is I feel like Pinterest can be overwhelming and people have these like elaborate candy bars and stuff in their pantry. That's just not realistic for me because I try not to eat so much candy. So I really grouped everything based on like how we eat. So this one says pasta and rice. Obviously we have mac and cheese because a girl's just gotta have that sometimes. But I also have some spaghetti sauce in here. And I just put that in with my pasta stuff because that's easier for me. Because if I am gonna make pasta, I usually have zoodles. So I will just reach into the pasta, which is my kind of pasta, and I'll just take this out. And you know, everything's good to go in here. So I know exactly where it's at instead of being like with canned goods. I don't know, for me, that's just easier. Same goes for like a breakfast bin. Instead of having my peanut butter in like a condiments section, I just do it in breakfast. When I think about peanut butter, like my mind automatically goes to breakfast. So that's why I put it in here. And that's just what works for us. So I just wanted to give you guys that tip. Don't feel like you have to do like categories that you see other people do online because that may not work for you, if that makes sense. So this is what works really well for us, that has been working well for us. So that's why I'm sticking to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all of this stuff away and finally have a clean pantry. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. I'm so happy with it. It's just very clean and simple and just perfect for us. I went ahead and put Tim's stuff like at the top because obviously I'm short and I can't reach anyways. So I put all of his soups at the top. He likes to take these to work. And then for the other wire shelves, I just stocked them with canned goods that we go through a lot. For us, that's green beans, also garbanzo beans. I like to put these in salads and just a variety of just different things that I make throughout the week. So I like to keep those just stocked up by kind. It helps me be really organized. It also helps with my grocery list and, you know, just prepping and everything like that. So I like to keep it very organized like that. And then I also have my flour, sugar, all of those kind of necessities that I go through all at the bottom with the chalkboard labels. This probably has to be my favorite shelf. This is the snack shelf. So of course it's my favorite, but I have a little bin here that's grab and go. Basically has some crackers, bars, things that we can just take with us when we leave or that we need in a hurry. And then of course the other bin is the snack bin, which is full of chips and crackers and all the good stuff. And I love these bins because first of all, they're clear so you can see what's in them, but they also have handles so you can just take them out and put them back when you need to. So if you're making lunches and stuff like that, you can actually just take out the entire bin and then put it back, which is really convenient. And then the next shelf above that is the spice shelf, and I like to have that in the middle right at my level because I obviously use spices a lot. And I'm obsessed with these Simple Truth spice jars or containers. So every time I run out of an old spice that's in an old container, I will fill it up in a new one and then just use my label maker to label it. And then in the white bins is where I keep everything that I showed you guys earlier, but I like to keep the oils, baking supplies, and the cooking agents all on one shelf. And then above that, I keep the things that I don't reach for as often, which are like the breads, things like that. I try not to get into that too much. And then I really love the way that the water's turned out on the contact paper. But I will say the contact paper is something that I might change in the future just because I want something a little bit more durable. But overall, I'm really happy with the way it turned out. Everything is just very clean and simple and just really organized, which was the point of this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a last minute video, but I hope you guys found it helpful or inspiring to go organize your pantry. Let me know if you guys like these type of videos or if you want to see more like organize with me type of videos that are a little bit better put together. And then just let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.